Hi, I'm Patrick Reagan. Welcome to the Power Fluctuations video. This video will cover power fluctuations that can affect your computer and how to deal with them. Note that power fluctuations are covered in the Core 2 exam and not the Core 1 exam, but it makes sense to cover it with electricity videos. Although most electronic devices use DC power, AC power is sent to the house or place of work through the power lines to the AC power outlets. The reason that AC power is sent through the power lines is because it can be sent more efficiently than DC power. In the United States and Canada, the voltage sent is between 115 and 125 volts at a frequency of 60 Hz. Most countries outside of North America use 220 volt electricity at a frequency of 50 Hz. Unfortunately, the power you get from the power company is not always what it should be. While the power supply can handle many of these power fluctuations, other power fluctuations must shut down or damage the computer, corrupt the data, and lose unsaved work. Spikes and surges are overvoltages. A spike is quick while a surge may last several milliseconds. It can cause damage to electronic components and it can cause microdamage, which cannot be seen. Causes are lightning, overburdened power grids that switch from one source to another, and high-powered electrical motors that tries to grab power and the electrical system tries to compensate. Sags are very short drops lasting only a few milliseconds. Brownouts are longer that may cause the computer to shut down or reboot. If the computer does not shut down or reboot, undervoltages can cause memory errors. It can be caused by damaged power lines, equipment that draws massive amount of power, including air conditioners, copy machines, laser printers, space heaters, and coffee makers. Make sure computers are on different circuits than these types of devices. Electrical noise is random electrical signals. Electrical noise can be caused by motors, air conditioners, space heaters, refrigerators, microwave ovens, washing machines, dryers, vacuum cleaners, blenders, power tools, hair dryers, fluorescent lights, and radio transmitters. Blackouts are total power failures. When plugging in a computer, it's essential to avoid devices that may cause electrical noise, surges, or power fluctuations on the same circuit. High power appliances are devices that draw a lot of power, can cause voltage drops or surges, which can damage sensitive electronics like computers. This includes air conditioners, space heaters, refrigerators, microwave ovens, washing machines, dryers, and vacuum cleaners. Devices with motors and compressors can cause power fluctuations or noise in the circuit, potentially affecting the stability of your computer, including blenders, power tools, fans, and hair dryers. Protect your computer, use a dedicated circuit if possible, and plug it into a surge protector or an uninterruptible power supply or UPS to mitigate risk from power fluctuations. Power protection devices are usually broken down into surge protectors, line conditioners, standby power supplies or SPS, and uninterruptible power supplies or UPS. Note, the A+ exam focuses on surge protectors and uninterruptible power supplies. Surge protectors are designed to prevent most short-duration, high-intensity spikes and surges from reaching the computer by absorbing the excess voltages. The voltage spike is clipped and the excess electricity is converted into heat. Surge suppressors are surge protectors, but also have filters that help smooth out variations. Surge protectors may have circuit breaker or fuse that may need to be reset or replaced if blown or tripped. It should be noted that while surge protectors are power strips, not all power strips are surge protectors. Power strips have an on-off switch and multiple plugs, but do not protect against power fluctuations. Remember, when troubleshooting computer problems, don't forget to check the obvious. Since many computers and related devices are connected to a power strip, when determining if the computer is getting power, you need to check the on-off switch of the power strip. And don't forget to check to see if the power strip is connected to an AC outlet that is controlled by a wall switch. Line conditioners filter out noise and help fill in brownouts. It usually offers surge protection. If you are in an area that has unreliable power, you should use a line conditioner or a UPS. Standby power supplies, or SPS, protects against power outages. Standby power supplies are either connected to a circuit and a built-in battery or connected to two separate electrical circuits. If the primary circuit fails, the SPS switches to the battery or secondary circuit. An automatic transfer switch, or ATS, is a device that automatically transfers a power supply from its primary source to a backup source when it senses a failure or outage in the primary source. This comes in handy for devices that may only have one power supply that can only be connected to a single power source. Instead, the device will connect to an automatic transfer switch, and the ATS will connect to two separate power circuits or power circuit and power generator. Uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS, has batteries connected in series with the PC. In other words, AC outlet connected to the UPS connected to the computer. Power is always coming from the battery. Battery always provides clean DC power. It protects against undervoltages, overvoltages, and power outages. Uninterruptible power supplies are usually not designed to keep the PC running for hours. Instead, they protect against power fluctuations and give you time to properly save your work and shut down your system if the power outages last a long time or to switch to a power generator. Some facilities may have power generator. When power goes out, the power generator will start itself to provide power. For critical systems, you should have a UPS to provide power until the power generator starts. The UPS will also help protect the devices during switchover, which may see power surges. Question: which of the following devices protect against brownouts? Answer: line conditioner. Question: you have a system that cannot afford to be down. You have a backup generator at the facilities. What do you need to ensure uptime? Answer: UPS. Question: which should you use if you're in an area with frequent lightning storms? Answer: surge protector. For more information, visit this site. In summary, unfortunately, the power you get from the power company is not always what it should be. Spikes and surges are overvoltages, and sags and brownouts are undervoltages. Blackouts are total power failures. Surge protectors are designed to prevent most short duration, high intensity spikes and surges from reaching the computer by absorbing the excess voltages. Uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS, supply power directly to the computer, protecting against undervoltages, overvoltages, and power outages. Thank you for watching this video. This completes the Electricity and Electronics series of videos. The next series will be the Help Desk and Troubleshooting 101. If you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Hatcher back channel. Thank you.